Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still a big believer that this is going to make a higher low, and I still think it's either going to go up and make an expanding flat, which would look like this, or possibly a running flat, which maybe would go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. Either way, though, I still expect it to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as the end of a wave 2, an expanding flat wave 2, and that would make this right here a wave 1 of 3. I still think that would make this right here a wave, most likely a wave 2 of 3, and I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up and make a 3, 4, and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me it still looks like this should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, which would be part of this downtrend for the wave A, 3 waves up for the wave B, and it should be a wave C. Like I was saying on the weekly, it should be a 1, it should be an ABC of 2. Now, like I've been saying, if we go short and this thing just blows through this 78% and invalidates this as a wave 2, that definitely is not going to affect me in any negative way because I will be looking for shorts and holding on to a short. On the other hand, if it goes down to a fib level, then bounces, breaks structure, that's what's going to help prove to me that it really is a wave 2 and that we really are continuing the uptrend for that big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it looks like a complete ABC crescent to me. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, looks like ABC down, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for that also. We are right at a Fibonacci level, which I don't have on this time frame, I have on the 1 hour, and it looks like the end of an ABC, and I would think that it would go down now to at least a 78.6. Then if it starts to break to the upside, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. Right now, I am definitely looking for sells in a downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can see the 38% Fibonacci bounce that we had after making a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Now we have to be a little cautious about this because a lot of the other dollar pairs don't look like they're going to continue down like that. And this one actually could possibly be an ABC crescent and it could possibly go back up. It looks like on the higher time frames that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and that it broke structure to the downside. But I keep looking at this right here and this is 3 waves up and then impulsive down. That could actually be an ABC crescent to the uptrend, so definitely be cautious. I am definitely short, and I am holding a short, and I do expect that it could end up doing this. But if it does prove that it is the end of a crescent, the end of a trend for a wave C, then we may want to get out of our shorts and maybe even go long for the continuation of the uptrend. For now, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave 4, this is a wave 3, and that this is going down for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program, which gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.